So now that you've seen how to clock in and clock out of the VeriClock app, now we're going to show you how to correct time. So what that entails is if you mispunch a time, clocking in or clocking out, or if something went wrong and you couldn't clock in or clock out, we're going to show you how to add an event or correct an event. So you're going to open up the VeriClock app and you're going to go down to the tab that says events. So this is going to show you all the times that you've worked in the past week, so you can go to previous weeks, but you will not be able to change these. So you're going to want to find the current week that you're working, and this is going to show you all the times you've punched in, Monday through Sunday, of times that you've worked. So what you're going to want to do is, to correct a time, is you're going to want to just select on the event. So it's going to pull up this Edit Event tab, and once this is pulled up, it gives you accessibility to change the clock in, clock out dates. It also gives you can change times. It also allows you to select a lunch break. So say you accidentally clicked 60 minutes, but you really only took a 15-minute break, things like this. And once you do that, there's this little report tab where if you click on it, you can add in sort of why you're correcting your time. So if this was a mispunch, things like that, here's where you would describe that for us. And so say my lunch break, I put 15 minutes, but I really took a 60-minute break. You can select this, and once you go up here to click save, it's going to ask you to confirm. And once you click this, it'll overwrite your current data and update it to the new page you just created. So once clicking confirm, it'll say success, event saved successfully. You're gonna just click OK, and your new event will be updated right here. Now, for people that forget to create an event, so if you don't clock in and clock out, it's okay. So it's not gonna show up down here. You're actually gonna have to go up to this little plus button right here in the top right corner and click add. Now, the first thing you're gonna do once you get to this add event tab page is toggle off the enter hours only. With this selected, you'll only be able to select the time, and it will put it on the current day, which is not what we want. So you're going to want to toggle this off, which then allows you to click clocking in, clocking out date along with time. And it also allows you to select your job site that you're working on, along with the report of why you may have missed punched or why you didn't have the clocking in or clocking out for that current day and or times. So once you get it all up to date, so say I need to put in, I worked June 29th from 8 a.m. to, we'll say 5 p.m. And just as clocking in and clocking out, you'll have to select your job. So once you select your job, you'll also have to put in your lunch break for clocking in and clocking out. So say I took a 15-minute lunch break and I was not injured. And then in the report section, we can just say, forgot to clock in. And once you have here, you can go ahead and hit save, and it's going to add the event, and it's going to say success event created successfully. You're going to just click OK, and this event will be added on. You can see Monday, June 29th, we added a day for 9 hours and 2 minutes.